Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to loop a video on CapCut. So guys, at first you have to select the video that you want to loop and then tap on the video clip. Now search for copy. And now you will get two videos. Now to loop it, tap on the second video. Search for reverse. And after that, guys, you can see a beautiful loop here between two videos. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.